add a new page and you start adding text, you'll see over here on the right that the status is automatically set to draft. So no matter what you do, what you are editing right now will not go public on your website until you actually set it to publish. You don't have to publish straight away. You might want to keep something in a draft status until you're completely happy with it. So it's perfectly fine to keep it in a draft status on your site until you're ready to publish it. Okay, so as you're adding the text, you can continue to save the draft using this button over on the right. And then once you're happy with that page, so maybe you viewed it by going to View Page up the top and seeing what it looks like in the browser view. So this is how readers will see it once it's published. You can go back to the page editing mode by hitting Edit Page. And then you can hit the big blue Publish button once you're ready with that. Okay, so I'm not going to do that just yet. I just want to demonstrate to you the difference between the draft and the published list over on your pages list. So if you click on All Pages over on your left-hand column, you will see that we have a number of draft pages actually on this test website here. So these are all my pages, and I've got a few drafts. I've got one that's marked private, so that's a slightly different status. And then quite a few published pages. So over here you can see when it was published or when it was last modified if it's a draft. Okay, so I am just going to go back to my page. So I'm clicking on the back button there on my browser. So how to publish a page. So once I'm ready to publish, I hit publish. And that will now be live, although that will not appear on your navigation bar. Because your navigation bar is controlled and built in another area of WordPress, you'll now need to manually add that page into the right slot on your navigation bar, which I'll go into in a different video. So there you have it, saving a page as a draft and publishing a page.